A minor update for the 2023 Honda X-ADV adventure scooter. Welcome to Throttle Deck channel. If you're new to my channel and like this kind of content, please click the subscribe button and be updated whenever I upload new videos about your favorite motorcycle brands. Introducing the new color option, Shasta White, which replaces last year's choice of Grand Prix Red, joining the current catalog options of Matte Ballistic Black Metallic and Pearl Deep Mud Gray. Included in the X-ADV's 5-inch TF LCD display panel, the Honda smartphone voice control system SHUX, which allows for voice control of phone calls, email, music, and navigation. No changes in the engine room, with power coming from a parallel twin, liquid-cooled mill displacing 745 cc's, mated to a 6-speed DCT dual-clutch transmission gearbox. Power is claimed to be 57.8 horsepower at 6,750 revolutions per minute and 69 nanometers of torque at 4,750 revolutions per minute, and the engine is fully €5 compliant. Weight for the X-ADV is listed at 236 kilograms, with 13.2 liters of fuel in tank, and a 22-liter storage compartment is found under the seat, enough for a single full-face helmet, with 1.2-liter glove box in the dash with USB charging port. 2-channel ABS is standard equipment on the X-ADV, with twin 296mm discs and 4 piston calipers in front and 240mm brake disc with single piston caliper in the rear. Other riding conveniences include a smart key, emergency stop signal ESS that flashes the brake light under hard braking, and self-canceling turn signals. There are 4 riding modes available: standard, sport, rain, and gravel, plus a user-customizable 5th mode along with Honda Selectable Torque Control HSTC a.k.a. traction control. Thank you for watching. See you on my next videos.